Who does not currently have a site? Whether you are a new blogger or just want a website to introduce yourself, or you want your own business website, or you want to make money online using your website, this simple video is for you. I will create a website like this, step by step and completely friendly for beginners. And I will check these steps in this video: the niche, the domain and the hosting, install WordPress, WordPress interface explanation, plugins you need, design your website, and finally publish your website. Now let's start this tutorial. The niche. A niche website is a website which is built with a certain topic in mind. A niche could be anything from a dog training website to a travel website. For many aspiring bloggers, niche selection is one of the most challenging parts they face when starting a blog. They have no idea what kind of site they should build. Personally, I started with my passion and I suggest to do the same. The domain and hosting. Domain name and web hosting are two different services. However, they work together to make websites possible. I will suggest a company that provides hosting with a free domain at the cheapest price, and I personally deal with it, and it is also recommended by WordPress. Click the first link in the description. You will see this page. Click at Get Started. After, choose your plan. If you are a new and want a regular website and do not have a large audience, I suggest the basic plan. It is good to start with it. After, choose your domain name, and I recommend to choose a domain name similar to your business. After, you can sign up with your Google account or enter your information here. Here, choose your hosting period. The more period you choose, the less price you will pay. After, you can pay with your PayPal account or your credit card. And click at Submit. You will see this page. Click here and you will install WordPress with one click. After, you will see this page. Now we have finished the basic steps. WordPress interface explanation. The WordPress interface is not complicated as she looks, and I will explain just the important section from it. The home, the posts, here the media of your site like images and videos, etc. Here the pages, and of course you can add unlimited pages. The comment. The appearance is the place when you design your website and take control of the style of your website. Plugins. WordPress plugins are apps that allow you to add new features and functionality to your WordPress website, exactly the same way as apps do for your smartphone. Users. Here you can control your site members. If they're another user that you give permission to access the control panel of your site. Now, I finished the most important parts in the WordPress control panel, and I will do another video later more smoothly about all sections from WordPress control panel step by step for beginners, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Now let's design our site. First, go to Appearance and click at Themes and search for Blocksy theme. This is the theme I personally use on all my websites, and I think is it the best theme right now. It's fast and flexible and also easy to customize. I use the premium version from this theme, but you can start with the free version, it's also great. And if you want to use the premium one and get access to more cool features, click the second link in the description to benefit 30% off. And of course I appreciate if you take this theme from my link, because I will receive a small commission for that, and that's helped me and help this channel to grow up. Now let's add some plugins. Click at Plugins and add new one. After, search for any plugin here. This is the plugins I will add, because you need these plugins in your website, but after you can add any plugin at any time you want. Now I will activate all these plugins. After, let's add some necessary pages on the website to make the website more professional and not look like a spam site. And this is the pages I will add. Click Add Pages and add new one. You can just copy these pages from another site and change their name by your site name, or you can write these pages by yourself. After, click Add Appearance and select Customize. This is our site right now. It's look like. First thing is add your logo like this, and you can control it for any place you want it. I will recommend a freelancer from Fiverr if you want a pro logo for just $10. After, add your menu or categories like this. And if you don't know how to add your categories, just go to Posts and click Add Categories. Add your category here, for example, cats, dogs, lions, any categories you want or similar to your niche. Now let's edit our colors. The theme gives us some optional colors to use. I will use the first ones. Here you can customize all colors you want. You can add any font you want. This is the base font and here the hidden fonts. Now the blog post. I already add a new post, and if you don't know how to add a post, just go to Posts and click Add New One. Enter your title and start writing. After, click Add Single Post and customize your post the way you want. And finally, add the copyright section on your website. Now let's see how the website looks like, and voila, this is our pro website. It takes just 8 minutes to make it. After, you can add more posts, and also you can change your colors and your fonts, and of course you can add banners on your website such Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, and you can edit or change your logo in the menu anytime you want. You have the freedom to customize your website the way you want. If you see this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and also you can write anything or any suggestions in the comment section, and see you in the next video.